Assalamualaikum. Okay, hi. Jom belajar maths dengan teacher Jazz. Okay, there is one question here. Okay, about 10 statistic measure tendency. Okay, the data below shows the marks obtained by group of 25 pupils in a test. Okay, so given the data there. Okay. And based on the data, complete the answer, the table in the answer space. So this is about the marks, class interval, the frequency, and midpoint. So how you want to find the frequency? Okay, so you see from the data, 77 example, and which is a 77 goes to class interval 71, 80. So I advise you to use tally table. Okay, example 71. Okay, so 1. And then 65. Okay, 82. When you finish to insert the values in the class interval, make sure you cross the data. So it organize you to clearly pick up which one is finished already and which one is not yet. Okay, so 73. 61. Sorry. 61 is here. Here. Okay. 69. 85. 74. 75. 66. 84. 76. Okay. 78. 78. One more. 71. 56. 78. 81. 65. 69. 58. 72. 21. 67. And 85. Oh, sorry. So, okay. So, if you can see that, this is 1. Okay. 0. 0. 2. 7. So, teacher dah terlebih yang ni. Ni 7 sepatutnya. Ada itu teacher salah. Okay. So be careful bila kita buat tu. This is teacher termasuk kat sini ni tadi ni. Teacher rasa sepatut teacher tanda kat bawah ni. Ni baru cukup 10. Sorry silap letak. Okay. 5. So it is very important that, okay, if you do the tally table, to make sure you got the correct frequency, because the whole values correct, then you got 1 marks. If one of the data is wrong, 0. So macam teacher tadi dah tersilap, tadi teacher terletak dekat atas ni, patut dekat bawah kan. Okay, be careful when you do the counting for the frequency value. Okay, for the midpoint, how to get the midpoint? Okay, example, I take one example here, 21 to 30. Okay, so this is class interval. 21 is refer to your lower limit for that class interval. 30 is your upper limit for that class interval. So, the formula to get the midpoint is upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. So, what is your upper limit? 30 for this class interval lah. So, lower limit 21. So, 30 minus 21 divided by 2, you got 25.5. So, this is the value for your midpoint 25 and 5. And so, continuous for the next class interval, you just substitute the upper limit, okay, minus the lower limit divided by 2. So you will get all this value midpoint. And you can see that there is a pattern, a sequence for these numbers. So The digit at the back is all the 5.5, 5.5. This is starting by 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sometimes we can see the pattern. Okay. So you can recheck your answer lah. Okay. Check your answer. Kalau ada macam 1 tu 0.4. Salah kira lah tu. Okay. Example lah. So you got P1. All correct value you got P1. Okay. So finish for the complete answer in the table. So 2 mark. Okay, next question for question B. Actually, this is B. Find the mean. Okay, estimate the mean. So, means that how to calculate the mean. So, the formula for calculate the mean is... Okay, saya tunjukkan formula sekejap. Is the sum of your frequency multiply your data. Multiply your midpoint. Okay, divide by the sum of frequency. So that's formula. And then, so you can see that your frequency is 1. Okay. Your midpoint is 25.5. So you got 1 times 25.5. Plus 2 times 55.5. And so on until you finish all the rows of the class interval here. And then you divide by the total for frequency is 25. So you got 71.1 for your mean. So how the marking for this working to get the answer is you can show that here the working like this you got K2. Okay, 2 marks and your final answer 71.1 is correct. You got N1, 1 mark lah. Okay, and then calculate the standard deviation. Okay, so this is standard division. This is standard division. Okay, this one is variant. Okay. So, how to calculate the variance? How to calculate the standard deviation? You can use your formula for variance and then you square root of your variance to got your teacher patut kena buat ni. Tu. Okay. You calculate your variance and then you square root of your variance, you got your standard deviation. So, how to calculate the variance? Okay. So, this is the formula for variance. The sum of your F8 tadi kan. Okay. Kuasa 2. Apa dengan the summation of F. And then tolak dengan min. Ni kena tolak min. Jangan lupa. Min kuasa 2. Okay. So that's how I calculate the variance. So I dah dapat tadi kan 1 times 25.5 tu. Okay. Tapi I kena kuasa 2 kan dia. Answer tadi tu kuasa 2 kan dia. And each of the class interval tu. And then divide by 25 minus the mean square. So 71.1 square lah. Okay, so you got your answer 12.67 for your standard division. Okay. So next, question C. Okay, from this data also, for this data, the same question. Okay, given that the interquartile range, okay, ni given this is given. Interquartile range is 4. This is standard deviation is 1.6. Okay. So, find the new interquartile range and new variant if each the value of the data is multiplied by 2. So, maksudnya, setiap data yang kita ada sekarang ni, semua ni dia darat 2. Dia multiplied by 2 kan. Jadi, boleh tak you cari interquartile range yang baru dengan variance yang baru? Okay, maklumat yang dah diberi adalah interquartile range yang asal, maksudnya yang tak ada darat 2 tu 4. Dia punya standard division 1.6. Okay, yang ini bila dia beri standard division, so kita tahulah kita punya variant adalah 1.6 kuasa 2. Ni variant. So, apa yang telah kita belajar, jika setiap data yang asal ada perubahan di mana perubahannya ni adalah multiplied by 2, you just calculate how to get the new interquartile range tu. You ambil yang interquartile range yang asal tu, you darabkan dengan 2. Multiply by 2 jugalah. So tadi dah ada 4. So darab dengan 2 jadi 8. So that's all to get the new interquartile range. Okay, macam tu je. So the new variance, okay, ambil variance yang asal tadi tu 1.6 kuasa 2 sebab dia bagi yang asal soalan dia standard deviation. So kita kena kuasa 2 kan dulu. Darabkan dengan 2 juga. Darabkan dengan 2 juga. Supaya dapat 10.24. Yang ini 2 markah. Okay. Ada ada tunjuk 1.6 kuasa 2 darab 2 tu 1 markah. And then 10.24 tu 1 markah. Okay. So this is for the question number 1. C teacher dah tunjuk. So I hope with my explanation ni, okay, helps you to understand how to answer for this question. Okay, thank you for listening and watching this video. Bye.